Shall we start? Ready to write all of you? Okay, now we have already written 5.2 question. Question 5.2 हमने लिख लिया है. Who were feudal lords? Have you all written question 5.2? Okay. Now answer. You all can see the screen of DA ने screen share किया है. Now there I am reading the answer. You just mark the starting point and the ending point. It starts from the second line. The person who collected. इतना बड़ा मत करो, 4 लाइन कवर हो गई, छोटा सा करो. The person who collected the revenue of a particular province was called landlord or feudal lord, that is Samant. The landlord gave some portion of land revenue to the king. He kept the rest with him, out of which he maintained an army. Up to maintained an army. That is your 5.2. ते थोड़ी डार्क पेन यूज कर दो और yes, bracket is to be written. Maintained an army. Army पर bracket close करो. चलो, all of you can see the. नहीं, ये जो आपने किया बराबर है. Okay, can you all see the answer, students? ये पेन थोड़ा थिक वाला पॉइंट सिलेक्ट कर लो और स्टार्टिंग दोनों रेड कलर से करो so that others do not get confused. चलो, सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? मार्क कहाँ से किया? सेकेंड लाइन में द पर्सन से अप टू मेंटेन एन आर्मी. दैट इज परफेक्ट. चलो, ये वेरी गुड. स्टार्ट राइटिंग ऑफ यू. Okay, now your question number 5.3. Which period can be called CALLED लिखना. Which period can be called the early medieval period? The early medieval period. E capital, M capital, P also capital. Which period can be called the early medieval? अच्छा, रुको, wait. Early medieval age आएगा, sorry. Age. Which period can be called the early medieval age? Put a question mark. Did you write the question? Ready with the question? Okay, write down the answer directly. I am dictating. The period between 8th and 13th century. 8th and 13th, फिर ऊपर से लिखा है स्पेलिंग देखो, सेंचुरी. The period between 8th and 13th century can be called the early medieval age. The early E capital, medieval M capital, age A capital. I repeat the whole answer. The period between 8th and 13th century can be called the early medieval age. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Yes, Raj, what is your doubt? That was ancient period. First was ancient period, then 8 to 13th century is early medieval period. Then comes 13 to 18th century, which is late medieval period. और उसके बाद आता है मॉडर्न पीरियड, जिसमें आज भी हम जो है वो मॉडर्न पीरियड चल रहा है. ओके राज? यस, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बेटा. अभी तो मॉडर्न पीरियड चल रहा है. अब कब खत्म होगा और कौन सा नया होगा, दैट हिस्टोरियन डिसाइड. वो तो हमें नहीं पता होता है अभी से, राइट? अंश इज रेजिंग द हैंड. यस अंश, हाँ बोलो. यस, दिस इज 21st century, correct. Okay, now 5.3, anybody? 5.3, any doubts? Okay, now write question number 5.4. Which dynasties, check the spelling, which dynasties ruled in India, ruled ED, ruled in India at the end of, ये वाला end, END, at END, at the end of 7th century. 7th century. I repeat, which dynasties ruled in India at the end of 7th century? Question mark. Any doubts in the question? Any doubts? Okay, Jay, share page number 18 again, beta. And you will also mark the answer on the same page, 5.4. Yes, can you all see page 18 on the screen, all of you? ओके, ये आपको पता है 5.4 कहाँ पर है? देखो इसमें दिखा है. वेरी गुड. चलो, योर आंसर इज already marked. Check it. The main dynasties ruling North India were the Gurjar, Pratihar, Pal, Chalukya, Parmar and Chauhan dynasties. Among those in South India were the Pallav, Rashtrakuta, Kalyani, Chalukya, Cher, Pandya and Chola dynasty. Any doubts, anybody in the answer? Can all of you see? Yes or no? चलो, ready for question number 5? हाँ करो बेटा. चलो, question 5. In how many and in which different parts and in which different parts, 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 are the states of medieval age divided? Medieval, M capital, age, A capital, divided, DIVIDED. I repeat, in how many and in which separate parts are the states of medieval age divided? Put a question mark. कितने parts और कौन कौन से parts? Okay, again they will mark the answer. हाँ, which are these two parts? अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. इतनी स्पीड में आंसर आ गए, वेरी गुड. चलो, यस दिए. बोथ आर करेक्ट. मेडिवल एज लिख लो. अभी आंसर मार्क करो ध्येय ताकि अदर्स कैन राइट. बाद में पहले लिखना. पहले आंसर मार्क कर दो ताकि अदर्स स्टार्ट कर सके अपना. आगे वाला ये वहां नहीं, नीचे साउथ तक, up to South India. So your answer will be like this. The kingdoms of the early medieval period were divided into two parts. Number one, North India. Number two, South India. Can all of you see the answer on the screen, students? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, start writing. Chalo, 5.5 completed. Okay, now write now question number 6. Question 6. Who had protected PRO, check the spelling, TECTED, who had protected India from the attack of Arabs, from the attack of Arabs. Put a question mark. Who had protected India from the attack of Arabs? Question mark. Return. Okay, answer I am directly dictating. Write down. The Pratihar dynasty. The Pratihar, P capital. The Pratihar dynasty. फिर बाकी का क्वेश्चन में से had protected India from the attack of Arabs. Had protected India from the attack of Arabs, A capital. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay, question number 7. Which powerful ruler belonged, check the spelling, belonged to the Pratihar dynasty, to the प्रतिहार, P कैपिटल. अभी आपने अगले आंसर में लिखा है, स्पेलिंग देख लो. प्रतिहार डायनेस्टी. क्वेश्चन मार्क. By which name is he famous? Is he famous? Put a question mark. So it's a set of two questions. I am repeating. Which powerful ruler belonged to the Pratihar dynasty? Question mark. By which name is he famous? Question mark. Got the question, all of you? Yes? Okay, write down the answer. अब क्वेश्चन 2 है तो आंसर भी 2 होंगे. Write the answer. King Mihir Bhoj, M capital. King Mihir Bhoj, फिर क्वेश्चन में से, was a powerful ruler of Pratihar dynasty was a powerful ruler of Pratihar P capital Pratihar dynasty. Full stop. He is famous as he is famous as Raja Bhoj. R capital B capital Raja Bhoj. He is famous as Raja Bhoj. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Anybody? Okay. Question 8. Which were the two main cities which were the two main cities, cities, cities of Malwa, of Malwa M capital, of Malwa during the Parmar dynasty, Parmar P capital, Parmar dynasty. I repeat, which were the two main cities of Malwa during the Parmar dynasty? Put a question mark. Any doubts? Okay, write the answer. The two main cities, the two main cities of Malwa, M capital, of Malwa during the Parmar dynasty, during the Parmar P capital, Parmar dynasty were WERE, were Ujjain, Ujjain and Dhar Nagari, and Dhar Nagari. Ujjain U capital, Dhar D capital, Nagari N capital. Ujjain and Dhar Nagari. Full stop. Complete. हाँ बोलो बेटा. अच्छा ठीक है. ओके. The two main cities of Malwa during the Parmar dynasty were Ujjain and Dhar Nagari. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? हाँ हाँ यस. सिर्फ टू सिटीज पूछे तो टू सिटीज है उज्जैन एंड धार नगरी. Yes, yes. चलो now question number 9. Why did टोटल 25 है बेटा. हम लोग अभी 9 में पहुंचे. चलो. Why did King Bhoj? Why did King K capital, Bhoj B capital, King Bhoj establish, check the spelling, establish a university, U capital, a university in Dhar Nagari, in Thar Nagri. I repeat, why did King Bhoj establish a university in Thar Nagri? Put a question mark. Ready with the question? Chalo, for answer, again they will be sharing number 18. Yes, they. पहले स्क्रीन को शेयर करो, फिर उसमें आंसर मार्क करो. आई विल टेल यू विच इज दैट. हाँ वेट, चलो. क्या आपको दिख रहा है ना से स्टार्ट होता है, कहाँ पर एंड होता है? ओके, चलो. ओपन द ब्रैकेट. किंग भोज मेड धार नगरी द सेंटर ऑफ स्टडीज दैट इज विद्या नगरी and established a university that is Vidyapeeth for the study of Sanskrit literature. संस्कृत लिटरेचर. चलो अच्छा वाला ब्रैकेट करो बेटा, नीट एंड क्लीन. हाँ, अभी यहाँ पर 2 ब्रैकेट्स दिए हैं, विद्यानगरी विद्यापीठ. यू हैव टू राइट बोथ ऑफ देम. ठीक है. और विद्यापीठ के बाद देखो फॉर द स्टडीज, 2 बार द दिया है, एक द कैंसिल कर दो. ये तुम भी कर दो यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पे. सर आंसर will be starting from King Bhoj made up to Sanskrit literature. यही विद्यापीठ लिखा है, ब्रैकेट में दिख रहा है आपको. उसके बाजू में क्या लिखा है? हाँ हाँ, संस्कृत लिटरेचर में वही आगे देखो 2 बार ध लिखा है, एक बार ध कट कर दो so that others can come to know. समझ में आया ध्येय? चलो, others, did you all get the answer? Students, can you see this? Okay, start writing. चलो, now question number 10 I think. Okay, write down question 10. Which were the 2 famous states during the Rajput age, during the Rajput R capital, age A capital, Rajput age in South India. In South India, South S capital, India I capital. I repeat, which were the 2 famous states during the Rajput age in South India? Put a question mark. Written? Answer in the next lecture because we will not be able to complete the whole answer. Okay? Chalo, anything to ask? Raj or Dhyay, any doubts? Shall we end? Okay, chalo. Bye bye both of you.